Nestled on a hillside overlooking the sea in southern Okinawa, House In Fusato is a 108 square meter home designed by Studio Cochi Architects in 2020. Created for a couple and their 3 children, it also includes a workshop and is planned to adapt as the family's needs change. Rather than completing every space at once, the design creates a flexible framework for future rooms, storage, and a garage. The plan focuses first on essential spaces, including water-related areas, a central hall, and the workshop. Around these elements, the architects leave room for future additions. This makes the house feel intentionally adaptable, allowing its layout to evolve as the family grows and their daily activities change. A large terrace forms an important connection between the house and workshop. More than an outdoor sitting area, it works as an intermediate space for working, playing, and everyday activities. The extended roof provides shade from Okinawa's strong sunlight while creating a softer transition between indoors and outdoors. Inside, the hall and workshop remain both connected and flexible. Movable fittings allow the spaces to be rearranged according to different activities while maintaining a visual relationship between work and family life. Instead of completely separating the workshop from the home, the design allows both functions to coexist naturally. The terrace can also change roles throughout the day. It can extend the workshop, become a play area for the children, or simply serve as additional living space. Wood and concrete give the house a straightforward material character, while the covered structure and movable elements provide flexibility without requiring a large footprint. What makes House In Fusato compelling is its approach to future growth. The house does not try to maximize everything from the beginning. Instead, it leaves space for change. Through its flexible layout, connected workshop, and generous terrace, the project offers a useful lesson in residential design. A smaller home can become more adaptable when its architecture is designed to evolve over time.